Good morning, Mario. So today we'll be working on goal number 3, which is mathematics, and we'll be doing objective 2. By the end of 18 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, model prompts, and word problems visuals, Mario will find the area by using the appropriate formula at the rate of 70% accuracy as measured by the work samples. So let's begin. So remember, we had been doing the perimeter to find the perimeter. Now we're going to be working on finding the area. So the area, if you have something like this, it's usually how many squares are inside. So they actually want to know what's inside this square. So the space that's inside. So right here, you can either count the squares, which that's not how we're going to do it. We're going to use this formula, which is area equals to length times height. So what you're going to do is just these two sides. So you always, the two corners that touch, it can either be this one or this one, because if you can see they're the same. You're going to multiply 5 times 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. So area equals to 15. You can use a calculator. Your phone has a calculator to do these problems. So this is a worksheet we'll be working on today. And I'm going to want you to figure it out by first. You're going to count. Well, let me take you to the other back. Sorry, back to this one. Okay, so how you're going to find out what numbers are here, the size, is you're going to count the squares. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want you to put the 5 down here. And then you're going to count the side. 1, 2, 3. And I want you to put a 3 here. I want you to put these numbers. I don't want you just to count the squares. So you put these two numbers and then you multiply them. So here in this first one, it's your number 1. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want you to put the number 4 right here. And then 1, 2, 3. And a 3 here. So area equals to 4 times 3. So you put 4 times 3 and the answer. You can put 4 times 3 here on the side and then you just write the answer right here. So let me show you a video.
So remember that a square has all equal sides all the way around. So this is 4, and the side is 4, this bottom is 4, and then this top is also 4. Remember that the formula for the area of a square is length times width. So the length is going to be how long it is, so 4 inches, times its width, also 4 inches. And 4 times 4 is 16. So the area of this shape, or the square, is 16 square inches. Alright, for the perimeter, we need to add all.
So hopefully that short video helped you, Mario. So let's keep going. So next we have goal number 4, which is also mathematics. And we'll be doing objective number 2 also. So by the end of 18 instructional weeks, when given visual, verbal, and model prompts, Mario will correctly count and add to determine the correct sum of double-digit numbers with a 70% accuracy. So let me show you a quick video. Okay, so that's your worksheet for today.
37 ants above ground plus 43 ants underground. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Each one of them is my special insect friend. 0 stays on the floor, 10 heads next door. The sum is getting close, so I add once more. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 4 is 8. My little brother thinks they would taste great. We mathematicians, and with precision, we group tens when we find double digits in addition. 29 hens are inside, 15 hens outside to find out how many hens are in the coop. We gotta know how to add and regroup. 9 plus 5 equals 14. Write the 4, the 10 carries. 1 plus 2 is 2 plus 1 is 4. I wish the formula was a hundred more. We mathematicians and with precision we group intends when we find the 4 digits in addition. Sometimes we make errors that's inevitable, but check your working, it'll be inevitable.
So that's a short video of how to do your problems. So let me help you with number 1 here. So 9 plus 1, or 1 plus 9 is 10, so you put the 0. The 1 goes up here. 1 plus 7 is what, Mario? 8. Very good. And what is 8 plus 6? 14. So you put the 1, 4. So it's 140, your answer. So go ahead and do the rest of the problems, and once you're done, turn them in. Let's get started.